Is there an eye watching us in the universe? How visible are humans in the vastness of our galaxy? When you look up at the stars at night, do you ever feel a sudden thought flash across your mind that maybe right now, somewhere 1,000 light years away, a pair of eyes is silently watching Earth? We're always curious about where aliens might be, but rarely do we stop to ask the opposite. If intelligent alien life does exist, how would they even find us? Would they see Earth as just a speck of dust in the cosmic sea? Or have we already revealed ourselves through the fingerprints of our civilization? Today, let's peel back the invisible layers of space and explore just how hidden humanity really is in the galaxy. To find Earth, one must first notice its host star, the Sun. From the universe's perspective, the Sun is just an average G2V yellow dwarf with some notable metal content. In the galactic supermarket, it's like a bottle of water on a crowded shelf, unremarkable. But being ordinary doesn't mean being invisible. If an alien species lives in Alpha Centauri, just 4.2 light years away, they would see the Sun as a bright beacon in the sky. But as you increase that distance to 60 light years, the Sun fades to the 6th magnitude, a dim flicker barely noticeable in the cosmic night. Push that distance to 1,000 light years, and the Sun's light gets drowned in the brilliance of nearby stars. Even the most powerful telescopes struggle to detect it, but the universe isn't that simple. True hunters don't rely on brightness alone. Even if an alien civilization manages to identify our Sun, finding Earth is another challenge entirely. It's like standing 100 meters away from a glowing lamp and trying to spot a grain of dust on its surface. That's how small and hidden Earth is in relation to the Sun. Currently, the most effective method humans use to find exoplanets is the transit method. Aliens could use it too. When Earth passes in front of the Sun, it blocks a tiny fraction of sunlight, just 1,000th. If their instruments are sensitive enough, they could detect that dip in brightness. From it, they could estimate Earth's size, its orbit, even detect traces of oxygen in our atmosphere, signs of life. But in reality, the transit method is more effective at detecting large planets like Jupiter. Earth is like a tiny bird in a crowd, easily missed, unless the aliens have already marked the solar system as a target of interest. The odds of them detecting Earth are slimmer than winning the lottery. But something changed in 1895. When Guglielmo Marconi sent the first radio signal, humanity unknowingly flipped on a switch to the cosmos. From early Morse code to today's radio broadcasts, satellite data, and military radar, we've been emitting radio waves for over a century. These waves have spread outward, forming a sphere roughly 100 light years across. That means a civilization 100 light years away could be hearing broadcasts from 1925 right now. Those 50 light years away might be rocking out to 1970s. Music and Proxima Centauri, just over 4 light years out, is probably just receiving our mobile signals from 2019. These radio waves, unnatural and structured, stand out like flashlights in the darkness against the random hum of cosmic background radiation. But the universe has a brutal filter. Distance, stardust, absorbs and scatters signals. Even at 100 light years, our messages are faint whispers. What's worse, the Milky Way spans 100,000 light years. Our voice hasn't even scratched the edge of our own galaxy. To most of the universe, the solar system is still a silent island. Some people feel relief that we haven't been noticed. What if the watchers aren't friendly? Others feel uneasy. What if we really are alone? Wouldn't that be a crushing kind of silence? In truth, the universe may have already answered Earth's hiddenness, is nature's camouflage. If another intelligent species has noticed us, they are probably like us, sending faint signals from their own lonely planet, hoping someone out there is listening. Every time we launch a signal, every time we explore space, we're mailing a letter to the universe. It might take centuries to receive a reply, but still we send them. So what do you think? Should humanity keep calling out? Or should we remain quiet for now? How would you write our next message to the stars? Let us know in the comments. Because in this cosmic conversation across light years, each of us is a messenger from Earth.